Yes, good afternoon, class. Yes. Welcome to today's lesson. And today we are going to focus on workshop safety. And as from the previous class, we looked at what workshop was. And we did give the definition of a workshop. Just a reminder, who can tell us what a workshop is? Yes, Monica.
I can term a workshop as a space or a defined space that is allocated for hands-on activities.
Well done. We did say that it's a designated space where people engage in hands-on what? Activities. And today we just added a word to workshop safety, to the workshop, that is the term safety. What do we understand by the term safety? Yes?
A state of being free from danger.
A state of being free from danger. Or we can say it refers to the practice of protecting people, equipments, and environment from danger or harm. Are we together? So workshop safety, this is generally the caution or procedure that we take when handling different equipments in a workshop. And today we are going to look at types of workshop safety. And we find that there are various types of workshop safety. Just to ask, how many types of workshop safety do you know or do you understand?
Fire safety.
We've got one. We've got the fire safety. Another one. Yes, please.
Chemical safety.
We've got the chemical safety. Yes.
We have the machine safety.
We've got the machine safety. Another one.
We have the noise safety.
The noise safety. We find that we've got the fire safety, the chemical safety, the machine safety, and noise safety. And these are not just enough. There are some other safety that needs to be considered also. Like we've got the PPEs, that is the, if you can add it, we've got the personal protective equipment. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Abbreviated as the PPEs. We've got the ventilation and air quality. We've got the ventilation and air quality safety. So we find that under the fire safety, being that in our workshop we normally deal with different types of machines like welding, you may find that it may produce some spark which can ignite fire. So we need to take caution when dealing with such machines, and it is categorized under fire safety. Under the chemical safety, sometimes find that in a workshop, mostly in automotive workshop, we normally deal with some materials like the petrol and even the diesel. And we find that they normally produce some fumes, so we need to have a good way of disposing them. Then machine safety. Under this machine safety, we must know, we must have a know-how on how to operate a machine. That is, we must read the manual before operating any machine to avoid what? Any danger or harm of the machine or the personnel. Another one is noise safety. Here in noise safety, we normally operate different machines, like insulators. So we need to put them in designated places so that the noise does not affect the personnel and other equipment. Then we've got the personal protective equipment. Here is where we will dwell on our next lesson. And for that, we've got the personal protective equipment. These are just majorly personal equipment where you put on, like the goggles, the helmet, and the boots. So, in our next class, I would want you to write notes on the personal protective equipment and have a picture on each and every equipment. Otherwise, have a good day as we meet in our next class.